Hi everybody. Welcome to the distance formula. I know you're all interested in learning how to do that. So let's talk about the formula itself for a moment. Okay. Now the distance formula, ignore the colors there. They just happen to be in the picture. The distance formula is simple. It's derived from the Pythagorean theorem. And basically what it is the square of the distances between the x coordinates plus the square of the difference between the y coordinates. And it's really simple to use as long as you know square roots and radicals, etc. So let's take a look at a couple of quick examples. This is going to be a short video on this. I'm not going to spend a lot of time beating the topic to death because most of you have done this before. We're going to do a couple of examples. Let's find the distance for 1 comma negative 3 and 8 comma 2. All right, very straightforward here. So we plug it into our distance formula. All right. So the distance equals, and then we do our x coordinates first. Doesn't matter the order you put them in as long as you keep them consistent. So I'm going to do 8 minus 1 squared plus 2 minus negative 3, which means it's 2 plus 3 squared. Okay? And then simplify. And this would be 7 squared plus 5 squared. And that would be the square root of 49 plus 25, which equals the square root of 74. Is it 74? Yes, square root of 74. Now, the square root of 74 probably could be reduced and simplified. Let me think. 2 and 37. No, I don't think it actually can. So we're just going to leave it right there. And for this course, we're not worried so much about simplifying things, so it's okay to leave it. So let's look at one more quick example. All right. Change my pen color now that we've gone to white. We're going to go back to that color. We're going to try these coordinates, and this is something you have to be aware of and be able to do. Is even sometimes you have to deal with the radicals. Like so. Okay, so let's do that. Let's put these into the formula. Once again, the big radical. And then we put these guys into the x's. This is my x2, x1. So I'm going to do 3 radical 3 minus radical 3 squared plus, and then this is my y2, so that's negative 2 minus 2 squared. Now this you have to be careful with because some students have the tendency when they subtract here to make the radical disappear, and that does not happen. Basically you have 3 radical 3's minus 1 radical 3, which leaves us with 2 radical 3 squared. Okay, plus negative 4 squared. Now this is easy to square. To do it, just square this and then square this and multiply. So this is 2 squared, which is 4 times 3, so that's 12 plus 16, and that equals the square root of 28. All right, and so those are 2 simple distance formula examples. And this could be simplified to 2 radical 7. But once again, I'm not going to require you guys to simplify your radicals at this time, so we're not going to worry about that so much. All right, well, that was exciting. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you very much.